Hello everyone. If you have already completed registration, choice filling and choice locking on the MCC portal under NEET UG Counselling, it's now time to understand the most important step, the seat allotment process. In this video, we'll explain the complete process in a simple and easy to understand way. First, visit the official MCC website. Log in using your high security password. After logging in, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to complete your authentication. Then go to your dashboard and click on Seat Allotment Result. A new window will open displaying details such as your roll number, round number, allotted institute name, program name, and nodal officer details. Here you can check your seat allocation status. Now you need to decide whether you want an upgrade or not. If you are satisfied with your allotted college, select Willingness for Upgradation as Freeze. I do not want to participate in the next round of counseling. Then enter your high security password, verify the OTP, and click Submit Willingness. Carefully verify your given willingness details before proceeding. Now click on Upload Documents, where you'll need to upload all the required documents. You can also use DigiLocker integration to fetch your documents directly. After uploading all the documents, carefully verify them. Then click Upload Finally and Next. Now go to the left side activity panel and click on Download Seat Allotment Letter. Carefully read the allotment details and make sure to note the nodal officer's name, mobile number and email ID. Then download your provisional allotment letter and save the PDF securely for future reference. Now visit your allotted college or institute and complete the original document verification process. If you are not satisfied with your allotted college and wish to get a better one, select Willingness for Upgradation Float. I want to participate in next round of counseling. Enter your high security password and complete the OTP authentication. Again, click on Upload Documents, where you'll need to upload all the required documents. You can also use DigiLocker integration to fetch your documents directly. After uploading all the documents, make sure to preview and verify them. Then click Upload Finally and Next. Go to the left side activity panel. Now click Download Allotment Letter. Carefully read the allotment details and make sure to note the nodal officer's name, mobile number and email ID. Download and save your provisional allotment letter. Now contact the nodal officer of your allotted college and get all your documents verified online. This is mandatory. If any error or discrepancy is found in your documents, you'll be informed through SMS or email. To resolve it, log into your account and click and remove discrepancy on the home page. Scroll through the list of uploaded documents and discrepancy. Click Remove Discrepancy. Re-upload the correct document. Then click Submit and Preview. Also tick Self-Verified in front of every document. Then click Save Finally and Next. After that, you'll receive a confirmation message. In round 2, the Willingness for Upgradation option will be available. If you select Willingness for Upgradation, Freeze or Float, you'll need to repeat the same process as in round 1. In round 2, if you selected Willingness for Upgradation, Float, you'll again need to repeat the same process in round 3. However, in round 3, the Willingness for Upgradation option will not be available. In case the candidates has selected float option for willingness for upgradation in round 1 and round 2, they can withdraw from the counseling in online mode. Click on Withdrawal for Counseling on the home page. Carefully read the declaration, then upload the signed undertaking PDF. Finally, enter your high security password, verify it once again, and click Enter. You will now see the message. Your allotted seat has been withdrawn successfully. You can download and save the withdrawal confirmation. If a candidate has selected the freeze option for willingness for upgradation and later wants to withdraw from counseling, they can do so by visiting the allotted institute in offline mode. For refund-related information, please refer to the information bulletin. With this, the NEET UG Counselling seat allotment process is complete. Thank you, and all the very best for your medical journey.